Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Alright, today's videos we are going to do a beauty box unboxing, and this time we're going to open up the Allure beauty box and let's see if this worth the money. Before we start today's videos, I would love to have you to check out my own skincare brand, Ebu Beauty. I have over 27 years experience in cosmetic, and that's what made me an expert in skincare education and skincare recommendation. 2 years ago, I left the company and worked for 17 years, started my dream, Yibu Beauty. So please check out my brand and support my business. That will mean so much to me. You can also use my personal code Steve15 to get 15% off on our website. Okay, so quickly let you know that Allure Beauty Box is monthly subscriptions. The boxes cost $23 and each month you receive 6 items. 3 are full size, 3 are travel or sample sizes. So this Friday I'm leaving for Europe, and definitely check out my YouTube video and my Instagram to follow me around the Europe. I can't wait. It's been so long I'm traveling internationally. Alright, so you open the box. The box is always the same, and open this up here. There's a booklet and some kind of discount cards, I guess. And in the booklet, it tells you all the product that they are in the box. So let's open this up. Definitely let me know if there's any new beauty box out there and I should give it a try. I would love to take a look. So the first one I'm seeing here is by French Girl La Florence Botanical Serum. This is $72. No way. So okay, so this product is blended 20 organic oil to nourish and hydrate the skin. Wow, I think this may be good for me to go to Europe. $72. Wow, that's expensive. So this, let me just try a little bit. Sometimes I don't like the oils too thick. Personally, I like dry oil better. So it has a very decent scent. It's definitely not a dry oil. I can feel this on the skin, but it's not heavy greasy. So I think I should be able to take this with me to Paris, especially it says French Girl. Makes sense. Very excited about this. Alright, $72. I got my money worth it already. Okay, the next product right here, I have no idea what is this. Walking in the Sun Inside Out Moisturizing Repairing Mask. It's a hair mask. You know, sometimes, you know, you look at all this packaging, it's like, what is this? And I don't even see hair mask. All I see is Inside Out Moisturizing Repair Mask, right? And then Walking in the Sun, and then it says repair, restore, and restrain. That's it. And nowhere say hair. But I see it right here, so this is the hair mask, $26. Okay. Clearly, I need some help with my hair, right? So these two are full size. And let me see next one here. So this is by Body Shop. Drop of Youth Liquid Peel. So what is this? So it's a rinse off exfoliating treatment. I personally don't like Body Shop product because I feel like their scents smell very chemical. So definitely pass. $25. So this 3 are the full size, and now they have 4 sample right here. So let's take a look at the first one. It's by Laneige. Oh, I love Laneige. It's a Korean beauty, and this is Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. Oh, this is perfect. Let me see. I can totally take this with me. So to Europe. Oh, not bad at all. Okay, I definitely would take this with me. So I'm going to Europe for about 10 days and for 3 different countries. We are going to fly to Paris right away and then turn around, fly to Copenhagen in Denmark. And we're going to stay there for 3 days, then take the train to Malmo, Sweden, stay for 3 more days, and go back to Paris. And the problem is that my partner told me that from the Copenhagen to the train stations, because it's so close, we won't be able to get Uber or taxi. We have to walk. So because of that, I'm not taking 2 check-in luggage. Usually when I travel international, I will take 2 check-in luggage, 1 carry-on luggage because, you know, I need stuff. So I definitely need to pack less this year. So I definitely will take this with me. I don't know how to pack less. Not good. Alright, so the next product here is by Mike, Commodity Expressive. So what is this? Again, it doesn't tell you what is this on the packaging right away. Oh, it is a fragrance. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a warm fragrance blend with a marshmallow. Really? Okay, so I really like the scent. It smells earthy, a woodsy tone. Smell very nice. I like it. And 100 ml is $135. Wow, that's expensive. Okay, 2 more samples then we're done. It's by Ebu Beauty, and this is a Miracle Patch Invisible Spot Cover. Okay, I'll definitely give it a try. And then this here is by Senbon. I think that's how you pronounce this. It is the body scrub with a patchouli lavender. What? Vanilla. I love patchouli. Definitely would take this to Paris with me. Yay! Alright, so what do you think about today's box from Allure Beauty? I really think it's not too bad. Yeah, very happy. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, because I can't wait to show you Europe. So let's all go together. Okay, bye!